Alright, got myself another box of, or blaster box of Contenders. One autograph per box. See if I get anybody good this time. I've only opened one box of this so far, and I got the one autograph I did want out of it, so I haven't been buying as much of it as I have in the past. There's a purple variation there. Is it Gary Trent Jr.? This one feels weird, so I think it's got my autograph in it. Wait till the end. There's Karl-Anthony Towns Legacy, School Colors, DeAndre Ayton, Barkley, Jackson, Bell, and the autograph is Zach Lofton. Texas A&M. Oh, it says Aggies. I thought it was Texas A&M. It's maroon and says Aggies, but it's New Mexico State. Yeah. I'm not sure what team he plays for, or if he even plays at all, but we'll see. Marvin Bagley III. Another Charles Barkley. Panini's putting a lot of legends and Hall of Famers and stuff into their packs. See, there's another one, Magic Johnson, right on the back of that. See, in every product too, which I mean that's not really a bad thing. I like pulling cards of older guys. See, I got Magic in the last one. This one's got Bird in it. I do prefer to pull cards of guys that I might actually be able to get signed. There's Jaren Jackson Jr., of course, I just missed him today. Vince Carter. And, well, there you go. Autograph from Zach Lofton.